Hello children, welcome to this English teleteaching program. Dear children, you know our motherland India is a land of traditions and customs. We observe, we celebrate festivals every month. ତୁମେମାନେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛ ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ 12 ମାସର 13 ପର୍ବ ବୋଲି କହୁ. So, in our traditions and customs, we celebrate festivals wonderfully, beautifully, very nicely, and we also experience a lot of enjoyments out of this celebration. And I think you must have visited fairs and festivals. Have you ever visited any festival? Any village fair? Have you enjoyed a lot? Have you ever bought anything? And have you experienced any incident or any event which is very heart touching, which is really unforgettable, and you cannot forget it throughout your life? It will continue till your last breath. So my dear children, today we are going to read a very interesting, wonderful story, heart touching story. The title of the story is The Lost Child, and you will find in this story how a small child visits a village fair with his parents, and he starts his journey with a lot of pleasure, lot of enjoyments, and he thinks that he would have a lot of fun, lot of enjoyments, and he will buy a lot of things from the village fair. But unfortunately, what happens? An incident takes place. He gets lost in the crowd. He cannot get his parents, and he starts crying. And this is what the story is. And the writer of the story is an Indian writer, Mulak Raj Ananth. Before going to read this non-detailed story, this text, let's know something about the very famous writer Mulak Raj Ananth. Let's go to the poet. So, as you know, the title of the story is The Lost Child. You can find two pictures in this image. One is the writer, another is a small boy with a turban, and this is the character which has been described in this story. So Mulak Raj Ananth, an Indian writer, a very eminent, famous writer. Actually, he is the writer of the 20th century. As you see, he was born on 12th of December 1905 and he died on 28th September 2004. So during his long life, he has written many stories and some novels, and he was very famous for his style of description, style of writing, style of narration. He has narrated very beautifully, and his narration is quite different from others, and he is regarded as one of the best writers, or one of the 3 best novel writers of our country, right? And he has given focus on suppressed, poorer and deprived sections in the traditional Indian society. In our society, the people, those who are poor, those who are depressed, those who are suppressed, those who are deprived of different facilities, they have been described, they have been selected as the characters in his stories, in his novels, right? And his notable work was Coolie, a very interesting writing. Untouchable, The Village, these are the novels which are very famous. And for his notable work, he has been awarded Sahitya Akademi Award, the very prestigious award of our country, and also he has been awarded the Padma Bhushan Award by the President. So my dear children, let's go to the story. This is a non-detailed text, that's why we need not read one by one all the sentences. Let's go to the summary. Once again, I repeat, the story writer Mulak Raj Anath has very clearly reflected the Indian traditional village, and he has selected in the story a festival which is usually observed, usually celebrated in our rural villages, right? Let's go to the summary. You just look at the image. The child is with his parents and he is asking for something like that. So let's see what he's doing and how he's going to the festival, to the village fair, and what happened there, right? The summary. The Lost Child is an interesting story written by Mulak Raj Anath, who is one of the three famous Indian English novelists. In this story, the writer describes the role and responsibility of parents, the interest of children for different things and their need. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏ ଗପରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ବାପା ମାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ରହିଛି, ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାର ଇଚ୍ଛା କ'ଣ, ସେ କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଛି, ତାର କେଉଁଥିରେ ଆଗ୍ରହ ଅଛି. So all these things we can get in this story. So what happens? The story begins with the setting of a rural village with all enjoyments during the spring festival season and ends with how the presence of parents for a child is the most liking, loving and precious thing of all attractive things in the world. So my dear children, you look at the rural setting. The story begins from a village life. The villagers, they start their journey to a village fair. And in this story, the writer wants to say the parents, the father and mother, they are the most important thing for a child. Even the attractive things which a child loves, which a child likes, which a child wants, which a child desires, they are less precious, they are less liking, they are less loving than his parents, right? So a small child, you see, with full of joy and happiness goes to a village fair along with his parents during a spring season with hope for a lot of fun and enjoyments. He starts his journey with a hope that he would have a lot of fun, lot of enjoyments. He will get a lot of happiness out of this fair, right? So the child starts his walking and his parents are with the child, right? And what happens? On the way to the fair, the child comes across many stalls displaying a variety of things that and toys on the two sides. The child is very much attracted by the sides of a flowering mustard field. You see, right? There are two lines. The child is watching all these things, and on his way to the fair, he comes across a mustard field. तम देख पिला माने केते सुंदर देखा जाउची. तेनु से बाटरे कोन कोन देखिची. I have given all these images here, these pictures. So the child is very much attracted by the sides of a flowering mustard field, dragonflies moving to collect sweet honey from the flowers, mango grove full of flowers, and the queen of doves. So mango groves, you see, full of flowers. आंबा गछरे बौल अच्छी फूल गुड़िक सोरिष फूल गुड़िक फुटी केटे सुंदर देखा जाउची रास्ता. या भितर पिलाटी ता बापा मां सहित से गाँव रे होतिया मेला देखिया को जाउची, right? Attracted by the colorful items in the stalls and wonderful sights of nature, the child stops at every stall to enjoy watching them. So my dear children, when the child is going with his parents, they are going fast, they are going quickly, but the child cannot because he wants to see the attractive sights, the attractive stalls. चारिपटे जहाँ सो देखिकी जावाक चाहूँची. You see, the child is going behind the father, behind the parents. But when the parents find the child lagging behind, जेतल पछे जाउची, they keep shouting at him and ask him to move fast along with them. At every stall, the child wants his parents to buy his liking things. But his mother tries to divert his mind, saying, "Look, child, what is before you?" ପିଲେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ସବୁ ପଛକୁ ପଛକୁ ରହିଯାଆନ୍ତି, ବାପା ମା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଡାକନ୍ତି, ଚାଲ ଯିବା, ଚାଲ ଦେଖ ଆଗରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି, ଆଗରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି. And this is a very, very natural story of the village setting. The writer has very beautifully created. କେତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଚମତ୍କାର ଭାବରେ ୱଣ୍ଡରଫୁଲି ହି ହାଜ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟେଡ୍, ରାଇଟ୍. ଯେ ପିଲା ଯାଉଛି, ପଛେଇ ଯାଉଛି, ତାର ଆଗ୍ରହ ହେଉଛି ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ, ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ବାପା ମା ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆସ ଦେଖେ ଆଗରେ ଆହୁରି ଅଛି, ବଢ଼ିଆ ଅଛି, ବେଗେ ବେଗେ ଆସ, ୟୁ କମ୍, ଲୁକ୍ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବିଫୋର୍ ୟୁ. And when the child neared the village fair and saw the footpaths full of people, both his eagerness and fear arose in his mind to see this amusing and wonderful sight for the first time in his life. छोट पिलाटी जीवन प्रथम थर जो देखा जाऊँगी मेला, मनरे एत आग्रह जो गहली देखी डर लगुच, चमत्कार जिनस देखिकी ही गेट्स ए लॉट ऑफ प्लेजर. So his mind is full of fear and amusements, interest, right? Then the child watched baskets full of flowers, you see, flower basket full of flowers, sweet meat seller with varieties of sweets, flower seller with garlands of gulmohar, a man with a pole of balloons, right? And a snake charmer and merry-go-round and many other attractions the child comes across. The child watches all these things. Once again I repeat, when the child reaches the village fair, he becomes very, very happy, and also fear comes to his mind. And what happens, my dear children? He is very much attracted towards the attractive sides. He stops at the flowers, heap of flowers, full basket full of flowers, sweet seller with varieties of sweets, flower seller of garlands of gulmohar, a man with a pole of balloons, a snake charmer, sapua kela, merry-go-round, right? So all these things that attracted the child wants to get a lot of enjoyment. Now you see, the child requests his parents to buy the toys, sweetmeats, flowers, balloons, etc. But in vain. The child also knows that his parents should refuse his request and strictly say no to his request. पिलाटी सब किनिया इच्छा करुच्ची किंतु किछि किनि पारुनी, भाबुची बापा मना करिवे. So he is unable to say anything, but in his heart he wants to buy everything. He gets pleasure, he gets enjoyment, he has a lot of fun out of it, but he cannot express before his parents. He thinks that his father would get angry, so he guesses, he predicts that his father would say strictly no. That's why he is afraid of speaking his father to buy these things, right? And what happens at the merry-go-round you see, तम सब बसिथिबो पिला माने, you must have experience. जो दोली सब चारिपटे घुरे, कहीं के राम दोली बोली ताकू कहती, ऊपर को जाए चारिपटे बोले. So merry-go-round or roundabout, right? At the roundabout, the child stops and he gathers courage to request his parents for a round, but he does not find his parents anywhere around it. My dear children, this is the turning point of the story. This is a very, very attractive situation, right? What happens? The child looks at everything, but when he looks at the merry-go-round, when he looks at the roundabout, he stops there. He wants to sit, and that's why with a lot of courage he requests his father. He has a bold request, right? Courage to request his parents for a round. But when he looks back, he cannot find his father. That's why now the child is lost. Now he does not get his father. So the child missing his parents is now worried by the fear and starts crying helplessly. Now he is helpless, he is crying. He searches for his parents, running here and there. He is running here and there to get his parents back, but he is unable, right? So, but he could not find them anywhere. He only utters the words, "Mother, father," in a loud and furious voice. "Oh, mother, father," in a loud and furious voice, right? The child reaches a temple and searches for his parents where he is almost in danger. In the rush of the people there, then a man lifts him up and saves him from the crowd. ପିଲାଟି ବାପା ମାଆଙ୍କୁ ନ ପାଇକି ହଜିଯାଇଛି। ସେ ରାମଦୋଳି ପାଖରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖୋଜିଛି ପାଇନି। He has become very much worried. He started running from one place to another. ଇଆଡ଼େ ସିଆଡ଼େ ଦୌଡ଼ିଛି, but he is unable to get his father back or mother back. And he shouted father and mother, shouted several times father, mother like this. ବାପା ମା ବୋଲି ଖୁବ୍ ଜୋରରେ ପାଟି କରିଛି। ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ ଆଗ ମାଆକୁ ଡାକିছে ମା ବାପା ବୋଲି ଜୋରରେ ଡାକିଛି। And a very kind man, now he is helping the child. He has lifted the child off in the crowd at the temple place and wants to convince the child. He tries to make the child happy by taking the child to the roundabout first and then to other places like the snake charmer, colorful balloons, flowers and offering sweets. ପିଲାମାନେ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ, very beautifully the story writer describes, narrates the story. ଯେଉଁ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକରେ ତାର ବେଶୀ ଆଗ୍ରହ ଥିଲା, ସେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲା। he started with looking at the flowers and he got lost at the place of the roundabout. But what happened when the man helped him, the man saved him, he took the child to the roundabout first. Then he took the child to the snake charmer, then to the colorful balloons, then to the flower seller, and at last he took him to the sweetmeat seller, right? But the child does not show any interest in them and cries in a loud voice that he wants only his mother and father. So he said, no, nothing, I don't need anything. So the things which are very, very attractive, which were very, very interesting for him, which he wanted eagerly, which he wanted to buy, now they are worthless, they are useless for the child. He rejects everything, he refuses to touch everything, and he wants his father and mother. Although his father, who was getting angry at the time of his request, he is also very loving for the child, and the child also cries for the absence of his father and his mother, right? So interestingly, all the things you see which had so much attraction to the child are now useless and no attractive or interesting for him because of the missing of his parents. The story ends at this point without telling whether the child gets his parents back or not, but loses interest in everything. It teaches a lesson to the parents that they should understand their children, their interest and need, and should be very much careful about their responsibility. ପିଲାମାନେ ଗପଟି ଏମିତି ଶେଷ ହୋଇଛି, ସଜି ଯାଇଛି। ସିଏ ତା ବାପା ମାଆଙ୍କୁ ପାଇଛି କି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ। ରାଇଟର ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିକି ରଖିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ସସ୍ପେନ୍ସନରେ ରଖିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଦି ରାଇଟର stops the story for the readers in suspension, in doubt whether the child would get back his parents or not. But the story teaches a lesson. ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗପଟି ଗୋଟେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଚମତ୍କାର ଶିକ୍ଷା ଦେଉଛି ଯେ the parents should understand their children, they should know their interest, they should know their need, and they should also be very much careful so that such type of incident won't take place, won't occur, won't happen in their life, right? So let's see the note very briefly what we discussed, the summary in brief. The Lost Child. The story has 4 parts. The writer has divided the story into 4 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Wonderfully. In part 1, the writer describes the child with his parents on the way and the line of toys, and ends the story, ends the first part with an important expression of the child, of the parents for the child, come child come. ପିଲେ ଦେଖ ମୁଁ ତଳେ ଲେଖିଛି ଚାରିଟା ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖିଛି, ଚାରିଟା ହେଉଛି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ। ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟା କେତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଚମତ୍କାର ଭାବରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି। ବାପା ମା ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି କମ୍ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କମ୍। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟରେ ହେଉଛି ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟରେ ହେଉଛି ଇନ୍ ଦ ଫେୟାର ୱାଚିଂ ଷ୍ଟଲ୍ସ। ଦି ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ସେଜ୍ ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଦିସ୍, ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍, ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ବର୍ଫି, ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ସୁଇଟ୍ସ, ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର୍ସ, ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଲିସନ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ସ୍ନେକ୍ ଚାର୍ମର, ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ସିଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ round about, say I want this, I want that. In the third part, at the round about, the child expresses his request boldly. Se eporjন্ত গুনগুন হইকি কহুতলা সেইটি সে কহিছি বাপা মা মু টিকে বসিবি এথরে, কিন্তু চাহিদলা বেলକୁ বাপা মা নাহাନ୍ତି। So he starts crying, father and mother. ତେଣୁ ପିଲା ଡାକିଛି ବାପା ମା ଡାକିଛି। And in the last part, fourth part, in the fair, at the temple and stalls, ପିଲା ଗୋଟିଏ ଜିନିଷ କହୁଛି, ତାକୁ ଯେତେ ସେ ଲୋକ ବୁଝେଇଛି ଯେ ଚାଲ ଯିବା ତୁ ବସିବୁ ସେ ଦୋଳିରେ, ଚାଲ ଯିବା ତୁ ମିଠା ଖାଇବୁ, ଚାଲ ଯିବା ସେ ଫୁଲ ଦେବି, ବେଲୁନ ଦେବି, ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ, but he refuses. He does not accept, he rejects, he turns his eyes from those things which are very interesting, very liking for him, and he says, I want my father and I want my mother. So you see, this is the storyline. The writer very beautifully, very wonderful, gives the main ideas in these expressions. Come child come. The child says, I want this, I want that, and attractive things for him. And third part, when the child is lost, he says, father mother starts crying. ବାପା ମା ବୋଲି ଜୋରରେ ପାଟି କରିକି କାନ୍ଦିଛି। ଶେଷରେ ସେ କହିଛି ଯେ ମୋର କିଛି, I don't need anything, I want my father, I want my mother to the stranger, to the man who has saved him. So my dear children, I think you remember the story, and let's discuss some questions so that you can understand the text better. So dear children, look at question number 1. Who are described in the first part of the story? The answer is your child, his parents, and other people or the villagers who were going to the village fair. They are described in the first part of the story. Question number 2. How were the people going to the fair? The people were walking, some people were walking, some were riding on horses, some were going in bamboo and bullock carts. So let's go to question number 3. Who is the child going to the fair with? Pilati ka sangre jautula? The child was going to the fair with his parents. Number 4. Who does the writer describe more about in the story? Kapatri ka bisar besi stress ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି about the child. The writer describes more about the child in the story, right? Number 5. Come child come. Who said this and why? The child's parents said this because the child was lagging behind. ପଛେଇ ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେ ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଦେଖେଇକି ଯିବି, ତେଣୁ ତା ବାପା ମା ସବୁବେଳେ ଡାକୁଥିଲେ କମ୍ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କମ୍। ପ୍ରଥମ ପାର୍ଟରେ କେବଳ ଏହା ଉପରେ ଫୋକସ୍ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି। ସବୁବେଳେ ମା ବାପା କହିଛନ୍ତି କମ୍ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କମ୍, ଲୁକ୍ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ଲୁକ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ। So why did the child lag behind? Being attracted by the toys and wanted to have them, the child lagged behind. ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ସେ, right? What made the child to say, I want that toy? The attraction of the toys, the wonderful toys that attracted the child and his desire of heart, right, was there. That's why he said, I want that toy, I want this toy. What kind of person is the father of the child? The child thought that his father would get angry. That's why his father was a strict person. The child is afraid of him for asking anything, to buy anything, right? What kind of person was his mother? His mother was very simple, kind and loving, because when the father had red eyes, the mother had a tender heart, and she said, oh my child, you come and you look to the front, we can see a number of other things. Look child, what is before you? Who said this and why? The mother said this. He wanted to divert the mind of the child and to go ahead, right? Number 11. What things did the child see on his way to the fair? The child saw toys in the shops that lined the way, flowering mustard field, dragonflies, little insects and worm along the footpath, groves of flowers, cooing doves, etc. What attracted the child most on his way? How do you know this? The raining petals of the grove as he began to gather, right? So number 13. Why did the child drop the raining petals from his hand? The raining petals dropped from his hand out of fear. When the parents shouted, the dove, the child was afraid of listening to this sound, and that's why the raining petals dropped from his hands. Which expression has been used several times in this part and why? Come child come, because this is the most important expression and this carries the main idea or the theme of this part. Come child come, because the child was very much interested to see, but the parents, they wanted the child to come with them, right? And you just see, this is the picture. The child is lagging behind and the father is he is very much eager to bring the child to the front, right? And what we discussed part 1 on the way to the fair, and the most important thing, expressions come child come, look child look, and what is before you. And a child walks with his parents to fair. He is being fascinated by many things and sights, wants to watch the toys and sights, and he is very much eager to see the line of toys, flowering mustard field, dragonflies, raining petals of grove, all these things. So my dear children, we discussed a lot of things. I think you understand. In the next session we will go to the next part, the rest of the story, and please read at home. Thank you very much. Goodbye.